Becoming a professional trader takes time, experience, and a lot of dedication. While there is no guaranteed path to ensure success in trading, here are some steps a beginner can take to work toward becoming a proficient trader, and a few common trading strategies that might be suitable for beginners. Steps for a beginner to become a pro trader. Education. Start with a strong foundation. Learn the basics of trading, including market dynamics, technical and fundamental analysis, risk management, and trading psychology. Consider taking online courses, reading books, and following reputable trading websites. Demo trading. Practice trading with a demo account to gain experience without risking real money. This helps you become familiar with your chosen trading platform and develop your trading skills. Choose a trading style. Decide whether you want to be a day trader, swing trader, or position trader. Each style requires a different approach and mindset, so choose the one that suits your personality and lifestyle. Create a trading plan. Develop a well-defined trading plan that includes your trading goals, risk management strategies, entry and exit criteria, and position sizing rules. Stick to your plan consistently. Risk management. Always protect your capital. Never risk more than you can afford to lose on a single trade. Use stop-loss orders and set risk limits for each trade. Emotional control. Learn to control your emotions, such as fear and greed, which can lead to impulsive decisions. Develop the discipline to follow your trading plan without deviation. Continuous learning. Stay informed about market news and economic events that can impact your chosen assets. Continue learning and adapting your strategies to changing market conditions. Backtesting. Test your strategies on historical data to see how they would have performed in the past. This can help you identify strengths and weaknesses in your approach. Trade with real money. Transition to trading with real money gradually as you gain confidence. Start with a small amount of capital you can afford to lose. Keep a trading journal. Maintain a detailed trading journal to record your trades, emotions, and lessons learned. This can help you track your progress and identify areas for improvement. Risk diversification. Avoid putting all your capital into a single trade or asset. Diversify your trading portfolio to spread risk. Network and learn from others. Join trading communities, forums, or social media groups to connect with other traders. Sharing experiences and ideas can be valuable for your development. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all strategy, and what works for one trader may not work for another. You may need to experiment and adapt to find the strategy that suits you best. Professional traders often develop their strategies over years of experience. So be patient and continuously learn and adapt as you gain more knowledge and experience in the market.